everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style, and I just love my Boxx Boutique sponges. Hey, you know why? Because for one thing, they're easy to clean, which is very cool. All you do is put a little soapy water in there, dip them in. You want to make sure that you squeeze it out real good. Put it in a little container for a few hours and you're ready to go. Another cool part about it is all the different little crevices. You can really get your foundation in really good. Even if you're my age, which is like a dinosaur, and you got the crow feet, you can really maneuver with these babies. Yeah, I love the packaging too. It's so beautiful. Hi, gorgeous. Everybody's gorgeous, right? All right, here's the other one that you get. Great gifts. Really reasonable. Get a couple. Go to the website below and order today. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.